Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be part 2 of my wedding series. My first video I showed you guys how I made my bridesmaids proposal boxes or proposal baskets or whatever you want to call it. I had a lot of fun with that and the reaction, they absolutely loved it, which made me really happy. And on top of that, I did proposal baskets for my flower girl and my ring bearer. So there's some pictures and things like that for that because I didn't make a video on that. I just bought like a bunch of little toys, some clothes, some little things that I thought that they would like personally. And then I asked them and they both said yes. So that worked out perfectly. But today I'm going to be doing like a wedding prep haul. So these are products that are pretty much like self-care products that when I purchased it, I had my wedding in mind, if that makes any sense. So first of all, I started working out. I am eating less carbs. I'm eating less sugar. I feel weird saying that right now because I'm kind of struggling with it at the moment. I did like a little work trip and I was eating whatever I wanted on the work trip, which was really bad. But that is the goal. That is what I'm trying to do here. And when it comes to working out, I just work out at home. Chloe Ting videos as well as Pamela Reif. They're both really different. I think Chloe Ting, she has a lot of breaks in between her workouts. And I feel like the pace is a little bit slower. And then for Pamela Reif, she just like plows through her workout. She has like 1 or 2 longer breaks in between. And I like to switch it up. It makes it a little bit more exciting for my workouts. But anyways, that's what I've been doing. To go with that, I've been taking some protein. So this is the protein that I've been taking. This is by Teami. I've been working with Teami for a while, so that's why I have a lot of their products. But all their products are super clean and I feel really comfortable using their products. This is actually my 3rd container of this. First I did vanilla, and then I did chocolate, and then now I have chocolate again. And you know what? I tried my fiance's protein because he is using a different protein and it made me feel bloated. I don't know. I think because this is plant-based and his wasn't. I'm not a professional when it comes to like nutrition and stuff, but this one just made me feel better when I took it compared to some other ones that I've tried. Along with this, I'm also using this Teami greens. I feel like I don't get enough greens in my diet, so I have to take it the powder way. This is also by Teami. It's a green superfood blend. So this one has matcha, spirulina, wheatgrass, and I just throw it in my smoothies, in my protein shake. Again, plant-based. It has 16 superfood ingredients in here, so I don't know, makes me feel healthy and there's a lot of good stuff in there. So that's what I've been taking because for the whole wedding thing, I'm trying to work from the inside out, getting that glow from within, like a real glow from within, not just like a highlighter kind of glow. So my wedding's in a year, so I have time to do all this stuff and make some lifestyle changes to get that inner glow. You know what I mean? Also, if you guys want a recipe on a really good protein shake, then go to my TikTok. I have it all there. I might have posted it on my Instagram as well. I can't remember, on Reels. But yes, it's definitely on my TikTok, so go check it out. It's so good. It doesn't taste healthy, but it is healthy. It's crazy. Okay, so anyways, so the next thing I wanted to take care of was my hair. So when it comes to my hair for my wedding, I think I want it all down. I don't want extensions, but my hair is pretty long right now, but I kind of want it a little bit longer. So I've been just trying to keep it like super healthy. I feel like as I'm getting older, my hair is starting to dry out. So my goal is basically to keep it super hydrated and moisturized, especially for my big day. So here are some products that I use. So basically, you guys already know, but I love BioSilk. BioSilk is my favorite. This one I just ran out, so there's like a little bit in there, but I got this big boy right here. This one was $24.99 from Winners. Winners just restocked on BioSilk. They didn't have BioSilk for a while and that's where I would always buy it, but then I was forced to buy it off of Amazon, and this thing, so overpriced. I'm pretty sure it was like, at the time it was like $40 or something like that. And it's also the smaller bottle, so I'm so happy that it's there again. Usually I just use that for my hair, but since I really want my hair to be like amazing for my wedding, I've been using a couple other products. So this is a new brand, Prevu. This is their Milk Balm. Right after the shower, I use my BioSilk, and then I also use this. And it actually works really, really well. I love it. I feel like it really helps to just smooth everything out before it dries. And then after, when it does dry and after I style it and everything, especially for like the flyaways, I have been using an oil also by Prevu. It's their hair polish, and it's just like a nice topper just to smooth everything out. And also I haven't been using like any perfume or anything because this just smells so good. After I put it all over my hair, I actually like rub it all over my body. But yeah, I did a photo shoot for this company and they sent me their products and I've been loving it. All right, so the next thing are some body products to take care of the skin on my body. Not only do I want my face to look good, but I need like my whole body to look good because I'm going to be in a bathing suit for a week every day. So the first product I got, I actually found it on TikTok. It's trending on TikTok. It is the Magic Shaving Powder. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. But basically, I was just reading the directions. It's 2 spoonfuls of this powder with an equal amount of water, and then it makes this creamy mixture, and then you leave it on for 5 minutes and then just remove it with a damp cloth, and then all your hair is gone. So it kind of reminds me of Nair, and some people have been using it differently on TikTok. I think they used it as like making a shaving cream and then using a razor, but like I don't think you need the razor for this. I'm pretty sure you just wipe it off. So everyone has been saying that it is amazing for razor bumps, eliminating all of that. It's amazing for ingrown hairs and things like that. And people have been saying that this just makes their skin unbelievably smooth. So I'm going to definitely be trying this out. I'm gonna get my skin used to this. I have never tried a product like that before, so I'm excited to try it. I also got this Pumice Sponge. This is for your feet, to make your feet super smooth. I personally do not like this specific one. I bought this a few times, but I feel like I need something a little bit more coarse because my skin is not like sensitive when it comes to like scrubs and things like that. My feet aren't crazy or anything. My feet can just handle that kind of thing. I think I'm gonna get the one that they use at the nail shop, that purple one. It's like dark purple and light purple. I'll have a picture of it here, but that's the one that I feel like works really, really well. So yeah, anything that will make my skin smooth, I just love. So like I said before, my skin scars very easily. Any mosquito bites, zits, anything like that, my skin will create a scar and then it will be with me for like months. So to help with that, I'm going to be using vitamin C, and this is a product that I have been using on my face, which actually helped me a lot with my sunspots. Vitamin C does a bunch of other things, but this is what I'm using this specifically for. This is by Teamy. When I told them that I was going to be getting married next year, they actually sent me a bunch of products. So I didn't purchase this. They sent me this, which was so kind of them because I just ran out. So now that they sent me another one, I'm going to be using this all over my body now because yeah, I just want my skin to feel really, really great. Since I know it works on my sunspots, I'm sure it will work with all the little scars that I have on my body. So here are some other things that Teamy sent me that I will be using throughout the year and up until my wedding. This is a superfood cleanser. This is a facial cleanser that I actually ran out of as well. My skin just loves this stuff. My skin has been a lot smoother since I've been using it. This has matcha, turmeric, and sea kelp in here. I've been using this for a really long time, but they sent me a brand new one, which I love. They're always taking good care of me. They also sent me this Glow Tea Infused Oil, Rose and Cinnamon. I have not used this before, so I'm really excited to use it. Ooh, oh my gosh. It has actual pieces of rose and cinnamon in here. I did not think it was gonna be that beautiful. And with that, they also sent me a gua sha. I actually have a gua sha that I've been using. I actually made a TikTok on how I use it, so go check it out. Oh, and it's pink as well, and it says the Heart Stone because it's rose quartz. So I'll be using both of those together. But also they sent me this Renew, a vitamin C eye cream. I actually ran out of my eye cream. This is my old eye cream. It's by Mix Easy, the eye serum. I don't have a favorite eye cream, so if you guys have a favorite eye cream, let me know down below because I'm still on the search for one, but you never know, this might be my new favorite. So this is what it looks like. It's like a nice pale pink. So everything they sent me was like pink, glowy, vitamin C. So thank you for that, Timmy. So the next thing that I bought as wedding prep is this toothpaste, and I would like to have pearly white teeth. When I went to Costco, I saw a whole pack of this Crest 3D white, and it has activated mint charcoal in here. And you know all the whole like charcoal trend when it came to toothpaste. I love how Crest made their own, and when I saw this at Costco, I was like, I'm gonna buy it because I want white teeth for my wedding. Obviously my fiance is gonna use this as well, so it was a great purchase, I thought. So the next couple items are just some makeup products. So I have this mascara. This is by Velour. This is one of their new mascaras. It's called Pretty Big Deal. It's a 3-in-1 lash serum, lash shield, and mascara. So apparently this makes your eyelashes grow. I might get eyelash extensions for the wedding week. I've been thinking about it, but if this could help me grow out my eyelashes to the point where I don't have to get fake lashes, then I would love that. I've used eyelash serums before that I can only use at night, but this is an eyelash serum mixed with a mascara that I can use during the day. I've been using it a lot lately, and it's definitely not the perfect mascara. I just use it for days where I have makeup but I'm not doing too much. If I'm actually like going out and doing something special, then I'll use my other mascaras that I love, which is L'Oreal Telescopic. That's my ultimate favorite. For like everyday use, this is perfect because it's more than just mascara. And I've worked with Velour before, so I don't know if my discount code works, but I'll link it down below to see if it does work. I'm not sure. The next product is a product that I found on TikTok again. I love TikTok, guys. I learn so many things on TikTok, and I feel like TikTok just shows me all the products that I need. So this is a product that I got. This is by, oh, I thought it was Krylon, but it's Krylon. I don't know how to pronounce that. I remember when I was working on set, and it was for a show called Shadowhunters, and I was a fairy on that, and they put prosthetic ears. They used this spray on me. So when I saw it on TikTok, it reminded me of that, and I wanted to buy it for myself. So what this is a really strong fixing spray, and people on TikTok have been using it as a setting spray. So I thought that was a really smart idea. It's not, I don't think it's something that you should be using like every day, but I wanted to buy it in hopes that I could use this for my wedding so my makeup could stay like all day. My wedding's gonna be in Mexico. It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be sweaty, so I feel like this kind of setting spray or fixing spray would be perfect to just keep it all in place. So I actually did try it the other day during this pool party that we had for our wedding party, and I was swimming, I was sweating, it was a really hot day, very humid, and my makeup stayed on. It stayed in place. So I have very, very high hopes for this. I'm so happy that I found this. All my bridesmaids will be able to use this as well, obviously. But I will tell you that it is very, very strong. When I sprayed it on me, it just felt like hairspray all over your face, like that tightening feeling. So it's not like the most comfortable, but if you want your makeup to stay in place, this stuff works. And on top of all of this, I bought a ton of stuff from Shein. If you want like a Shein try on haul, that's gonna be a separate video because this video is already too long, I feel. There's a lot of stuff that I liked and a lot of stuff that I didn't like. I'm willing to show you everything if you want me to. So that is basically it, guys. That is my wedding prep haul. Everything that I bought with my wedding in mind, to prep my hair, to prep my face, to prep my body, to prep whatever. And then some products to prep me from the inside out to get that natural glow. So yeah, I know that was a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Links for these products, if I have any discount codes for any of these, they will all be down below. Comment, like, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a lot more of these wedding videos because that's basically my life for a year. So thank you guys again for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.